Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. Plants are a must when it comes to decorating our homes, and they do add a personal flair to an indoor space. But did you know having plants indoors can do so much more? They can boost your mood, increase your creativity, help reduce stress, and even eliminate air cancer causing pollutants such as formaldehyde and benzene from your home. If you're thinking you don't have a green thumb, we've put together some low maintenance plants that can thrive even with a little neglect. Number 1, snake plant. The snake plant is a succulent, so you will want to plant it in well-draining soil, such as cactus soil or succulent soil. It enjoys bright light, so you can place it by a window. You only need to water it when the soil is completely dry or about every 2 weeks. It's known for its air purification magic because it gets rid of formaldehyde and benzene. And while you sleep, it's busy converting carbon dioxide into oxygen. That is a magic plant. Number 2, ZZ plant. Due to its hardiness, the ZZ plant is nicknamed the eternity plant, and in Chinese culture, thought to bring wealth and prosperity to its owners. It should be planted in well-draining soil, like potting soil for succulents mixed with wood chips. It prefers bright to indirect light. For watering, check the soil. If it is completely dry or the leaves wilt or wrinkle, it is time to water. This should be every 2 to 3 weeks. ZZ plants are famous for their air purification abilities as well as turning carbon dioxide into oxygen. Number 3, spider plant. If you're planting a spider plant for the first time, a well-draining potting mix will work perfectly. The spider plant's long, arching, slender green and yellow striped leaves look high maintenance, but they are not. They do like a little light, but they only need to be watered once per week, making them very easy to take care of. If you water them too often, you may begin to see yellowing leaves. One of the great things about spider plants is once you have one established, they are easy to propagate, and they are a favorite for those looking for a plant to help purify the air. Number 4, philodendron. Philodendrons have lovely green leaves in various shapes and sizes that will brighten up any living space. When planting, use potting soil mixed with pumice or perlite for drainage. It does well in medium light and even low light, but does not do well in direct sunlight. You will know when it needs watering when the top inch of the soil is dry. They filter toxins such as formaldehyde. Number 5, peace lily. The peace lily got its name due to its beautiful white blooms that resemble white flags. It can grow up to 4 feet tall. To plant peace lilies, you can use 2 parts indoor potting mix and 1 part sand. It prefers bright indirect light, but can tolerate low light and does best in temperatures from 68 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Water when the top inch is dry. Peace lilies help remove not only benzene and formaldehyde, but ethylene as well. A word of caution, peace lilies are poisonous to humans and animals. Number 6, succulents. We've already mentioned the snake plant, but succulents in general are low maintenance and make great houseplants. To plant, use succulent or cactus potting soil. They prefer bright light and only need to be watered when the soil is completely dry. Number 7, aloe vera. Aloe vera is another succulent, but due to its health benefits, it deserves its own spots. Its long leaves and prickled sides contain a wound-healing goo that has been marketed for everything from cuts to sunburns. Having the real plant in your home could come in handy. If planting, use your cactus or succulent soil and water only when the soil is completely dry. It grows best in bright light, so placing it in a window is perfect. Caution, while it's healing to humans, if ingested by kids or animals, it is poisonous. Number 8, cast iron plant. The cast iron plant got its name because it is indestructible. To plant, use well-draining, loamy soil. One that is slightly acidic is optimum. If you don't have any around, no problem. It will grow in anything. Number 9, the jade plant. Plant in succulent or cactus soil and only water when the soil is completely dry. Like all succulents, it needs bright light and displays beautiful star blooms in June through August. It symbolizes good luck and prosperity to its owner. A word of caution: the jade plant is toxic to animals. As you can see, there are so many reasons to add plants to your list when decorating your home. Please note all mentioned products are listed below. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.